Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, and we'll start off with what's called a chi massage, so energy massage for the whole body. So begin by making 2 loose fists and just begin to knock on the chest. All right, this stimulates energy in the heart and lungs, and stimulates the thymus gland behind the rib cage, which helps to boost the immune system. All right, then hold one hand out, palm facing up, and then we're just gonna tap down the inside of the arm, then turn the hand over, palm faces down, and then going up the outside of the arm. We'll do that again, palm faces up, going down the inside, palm faces down, going up the back. One more time. Stimulating the energy in the arm. Then we'll do right back to the chest, knocking on the chest again, and then holding the other hand out, palm facing up, knocking down the inside of the arm, turn the palm face down, coming up the back. We'll do that again, palm faces up, palm faces down. One more time. Tapping gently, and then back to the chest, knocking on the chest. And then coming down to the lower abdomen where it's thought that we store the energy here. So stimulating the energy here. And then coming down to the lower back. So I'll turn around so you can see. And just knocking on the lower back, giving yourself a little back massage. If you can't quite reach, that's okay. You can just do the sides or wherever you can reach. All right, and then going down the backs of the legs. So tapping down. And you can always keep a soft bend in the knees to protect your back. And then coming up the front of the legs towards the inside. Okay, we'll do that again, going down the back side of the legs towards the outside of the legs, and then the front inside. All right, one more time. Coming down. You don't have to go very low. And then coming back up. All right, and then back to the lower dantian, the reservoir of energy. All right, and then placing your palms on your lower abdomen and just circling, just settling the energy back down, and then holding the arms down by the sides, taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then breathing in, the arms float up. Circle in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. One more time, sink the chi. Then the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the door. Starting the journey. One more time, breathing in. Breathing out. This time, place the hands on the hips. Step one foot out a little bit wider. All right, and then this hand here is going to float out to the side. Then the hand floats down, the fingertips point up, coming right up the center, the hand spirals out and away. The single arm upward spirals. Rotating the torso, moving from your center. Opening the shoulder and the chest. Feeling rooted into the earth and moving mindfully. And breathing. One more time, the single arm upward spirals. Then the hand comes down to the hip. The other hand floats out to the side. The hand floats down, fingertips point up, coming up the center, overhead, and then spiral out and away. Single arm, upward spirals. This allows us to really rotate the torso a little bit more, moving from the center. So softening down as the arm comes down, rising up. One more time, single arm, upward spirals. The hand comes down to the hips, once again. Then reverse direction, the hands float all the way out and around, hugging the tree right out in front. From here, the fingertips point down, softening down towards the earth. The hands come all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body, digging in the garden. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up one more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down, as we harvest from the garden. Big circle. One more time. And then round out as if you're hugging the tree once again. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. The hands circle around as if your hands are lightly resting on the moon. Just going for the ride as it orbits the earth. And then reverse direction, whichever way you were going, just go the other way. Circle the hands around one more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it to center. And then from here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under the other one on top, embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body, working the core, strength, and stability. And then reverse direction. Circle the hands around, noticing the sensations. You might even start to feel a little tingling in the hands. That's the energy. And then when you're ready, hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. Step out to the corner, pushing forwards in space. Breathing in as you shift back. Breathing out, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, stay with me. The hands float all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Scooping under, gather in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight. Step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Just taking your time. No rush. Nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. Pushing the mountain. And then this time the hands keep going all the way up and over, down in front of the body, scooping under. Tai Chi circling. The energy is washing through the body, giving us healing and vitality. One more time. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in. Breathing out. And then from here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. The hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders, the neck, the face, the eyes. Soften the jaw, using only what you need. All right, one more time, drift across. This time the top hand makes a hook, the bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, we call this single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out, and you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go, and breathing. And then this time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. And then if you like, this time you can step in as the hand comes up, step out as it floats across. All right, one more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across. We'll drift across a few more times, like a moving meditation, moving like nature, with effortless ease. Breathing, just feeling the sensations. All right, one more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both arms drift down. The back hand here lifts the moon into the sky. The palm faces down as it brushes across the water. The other hand lifts the moon. Palm faces down, drift across, lifting the moon. One more time. This time both palms face down as they brush across, then the palms face up as we gaze at the moon. Both hands float down, drift across, gentle rotation, gazing at the moon. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time. And then both hands float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side and step in, and then step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open out to the sides, the front knee bends. The front knee straightens as you shift back, cross the wrists, hinge at the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists, the front knee bends, the arms open. We call this the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long, you don't have to go very low. The arms float out to the sides, cross the wrists, and open. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. This time step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner. As you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then reverse direction, front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, front knee bends and open. The butterfly. Once again, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself, please. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open up wide, the wrists cross down low. And as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time. Harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front. From here, the palms meet each other in front of the heart. Softening down, the fingertips guide the way as they go out to the side, then they scoop around, going out to the other side. As the dragon pierces the clouds. Gentle rotation, going side to side. And you can continue to go side to side, or you can begin to let the hands drift up towards the mountain peak, going a little bit higher with each pass, and then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. Nice and slow. And then tuning into the body, moving in any way that would feel wonderful for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. So going up and down, side to side, diagonally. Just really tuning into the body's wisdom. Let the energy guide you. Just bringing curiosity to your experience. All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. Palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with your poem of the day. And today's poem is one that I made called The Flow of Strength. Through gentle movements we align, mindful of breath can show us a sign. In dancing waves by flowing streams, we weave together ancient dreams. Each movement speaks of inner grace, a timeless dance in endless space. Through yin and yang we find our center, a path to take, a door to enter. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch your flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.